it to be fully. I want more things to be done for it, so I'm gonna show you how it looks now without all the things I want. Yeah. I start at the door, and it's just a simple white door. My whole room is pink, and I have a trash bag, and I have my piano here, and I have my backpack for school, and I have some air spray in my bag, my purse. And then I have my nightstand right here, and then my bed is just right here by the door. And in my nightstand, all I have is some wax strips, this cord for my face, I forgot how to say it, spin brush thing for my face, my inhaler, eye drops, mail, and then my sleep medicine. And then in the store, I have just snacks, candy, and all of that. And then right next to the door, I have Christmas lights around my closet door. And then I have my dog in his pillow, his bed, and then this mirror right here. And then this door is a closet. And I have my shoes hanging up on the door in this little thing. I don't know where I got it from. My basket for dirty clothes there. And then suitcases. And then I have a little thing over here to put more clothes in. And then I have some stuff on the floor, some stuff behind it. Then I put all my shirts on the bottom rack. And then at the top, it's like dresses, pants, leggings, jackets over there, and then stuff I don't really wear. Then at the very top, I have more shoes. And then all my bags are right there, and blankets. And then right next to the closet is my calendar. I had the calendar up on that door, but it fell down. And I have some more shoes, Ugg boots, and then I have clothes. And then I have my table for my makeup, and my dog's cage is right below the table. And then I have this little thing I put all my bathroom products that I use like every day. And I have my at-home mirror, another mirror, some face stuff, hair stuff, lotion, perfume, deodorant. All my makeup is in here, and I have more makeup in here and eyelashes in there. And then this cage. And then right next to that is the TV. And then I have my TV stand. And on the first part of the TV stand, I have movies right here. And then I have my PS4 games, and then my computer games are here. And then my PS4 is right there. And I have some pens, pencils, scissors, all of that's right there, and thumbtacks. Then you come down to this part, and it's some books in the back. And in these hamburgers, it's CDs. It's a CD holder. It looks like that. It's just CDs in here. Below this hamburger thing, I have pictures, picture frames, and then I have index cards, pens, coloring box, and then some crossword puzzles, and then notebooks, and then my CD player. Then right next to the TV stand is all my dog's toys, and then my shoes are right there. And then I have my dresser right here. And I have this lamp. I don't know where I got this lamp from, and then this crown for Homecoming Queen, my mask from Halloween, and then a picture of me, and my scrunchie, and then this bear my teacher got me when my dad died, and then this tiara I got for my 16th birthday, and my Homecoming Queen sash. And then there's a window right behind this, but I put my dresser here so you can't really see. And then right next to my bed is just my computer. And then below my bed, I have this thing. It's a big little slide thing. And I put all my bathroom products in here. But here, bras, scarves. This is just my underwear and socks. Here, more bathroom products, medicine, lighter. That's mainly what's in here, medicine, stuff like that. And here I put my pants and shorts. Here's shirts. And then this drawer is random clothes. Like a whole bunch, like bathing suits, leggings, shirts. This one is the same, a whole bunch of shirts and some hats. And then this last drawer is just a random drawer I put everything in. My old phones, phone cases, cords, glasses, my speakers in there, your cards, flashlight, all of that is in there. And that's it for my room. It's a whole thing. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, and share for more.